Boys, girls, cats, and squirrels, SoCloseToast here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're having a wonderful Friday, a great start to your weekend, and a great end to your horrible work week. I know you're just so glad to get it over with and just let loose for the weekend for once. But hey, if you're not going out, if you're just chilling, you're maximum relaxed, and you're trying to stay away from any deadly spreadable diseases, and you're just like, this is my domain, I encompass my whole humanity within the confines of my room, well then, welcome to the #1, your favorite beatbox reactor. I can't even say that seriously. Just welcome to the channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. We have a short but sweet, and a few of you guys have requested this. It just came out a day ago. It's blowing up. It's MISFIRE's Unicorn Beatbox. So shout out to the lucky commenters. Thank you so much for suggesting this. It's literally 2 minutes and 22 seconds. We have to check this out. She's currently dressed in an actual unicorn outfit, so I gotta give her props for dedication on that one. And plus, now we get to hear another female beatboxer, hopefully holding it down, showing respect on the females and their beats. Make sure to drop an L if you're enjoying. Hit the bell for notification on videos every single day. Look at how cute that, I want that unicorn outfit. I'm not even joking. That would match with my my shirt with the puppy on it. No joke. Like, I would wear that out. I'm creeping up on 30 years old. I don't care. I would wear this out. Let's do this. It's not about the outfit. It's about the beats.
It's MISFIRE from the USA, and this is a big shout out for my friend Paponi and Swiss Beatbox.
I feel like I've seen her before, but I don't know where. Okay. Hey. Hey. Yeah! Yo, let's go! Oh, switch it! The tempo switches! Okay! Yes! I love her transitions. This bangs, dude! No! What? That was the quickest 2 minutes of my life! That's not what she said, by the way, comments. I know you're going there. Wait, hold up. That transition is so nice! Thank God for that wind filter. Or pop filter in this case. Oh, that's my favorite part! And it just ends! She disappears like a unicorn. Yo, that actually was way better than I expected. Because I'll read the comments to some of my reactions, and if I'm reacting to like girls and stuff, I don't know, some they have a bad rap, I guess. Some of them, I don't know. Maybe that's just from some of the comments that I've seen, but some of them get like a bad rap. It's like, dude, what the hell? People are putting themselves out there, and they're trying, and that's already a win, and that's already respect given by any community. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's beatboxing, singing, rapping, trying to do flips on a tightrope. There's a community for everything, and if you try, at least, any community will bring you in most of the time. It's very rare that you see like a competitive community pushing somebody away for trying. And if they are jerks. Yo, MISFIRE is the cool thing about her, because she's not bringing a lot of musicality for this one. It's all just in the beats, and the switching and the transitions is like key to keep you kind of interested and listening for more. And the cool thing that she does is she makes you think that she's about to kind of like fall off, how like some beatboxers kind of fall out of pocket, almost like they're off time with the beat somehow, kind of like Blueface as a rapper, like he doesn't rap on beat. And she does it for like just like one bar, just barely enough where you think, but that's the transition into the next part. And it's pretty seamless in a way that just makes you interested to hear like the next, all right, what's the next flow? What's the next segment of the beat? Because she flipped it like 4 or 5 times in 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. So that unicorn, magical. It was magical. She's definitely got to be one of the best up there. I can see why this blew up. But ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you thought in the comments down below, as well as let me know videos to check out for the future. Thank you so much for tuning in. Drop an L, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Shake 'em and pick 'em.
I'ma need a grab, I'ma need a slap, I'ma need a nab, every little bit of that booty. Please don't use me like a tissue, I just wanna kiss you, and I really miss you. So hard to get through all the time alone, falling apart like Post Malone. All these bitches cheating, pay no mind. Don't ask me if your pussy ain't no time. Just trying to be great before I die. I'm focused on that motherfucking grind.
Yeah, I'm focused on my grind. Back in the day when I used to snort lines, we fucked up all of the